Hello? Guys, are you there? Hello? Guys. So we are today we are actually gonna be, I'm gonna be showing you how to, first of all, ow, I just hit my foot on my desk. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to, set up a Lightworks tutorial, or how to set up Lightworks Zoom. I'm sorry, I'm just really not concentrated. Sorry for my bad mic quality. I wasn't able to use Audacity because it just wouldn't work. So I have a video imported. So say, we can just cut this down to a few seconds. We can cut this down to 19 seconds. So first of all, you're gonna want your video imported. You're gonna go to VFX. You're gonna go to the plus sign. And you're gonna go up here from text to DVE. Go to 2D DVE. Drag it on, and then go to set. And then you should already be in settings. Go to master, go to that, and click on the timeline, and then go to here and click on that. Say I wanted to zoom in on this GIMP face down here. See, and that's all you do, guys. It's really that simple. And then look, it zoomed on that. But if you want to stop it from zooming, just click that, and I think you go from Y to X, and then go to scale. Oh wait, I think you click these. Oh wait, no, that's, never mind. Actually, how I stopped it is I just shortened it. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I just shortened it. So you can, do that. If you would like a better video on this, just let me know. Actually, I wonder if we can stop the zoom. Say I wanted to zoom in on this cursor. And you just drag it down. Now I'm zoomed in on the cursor. And if I go, okay, go for that actually. Could also do this just to make it look not as bad. And it just zooms out. Sorry for the laggy audio, but yeah, that's how you do it. If you would like a better one, let me know. So I definitely will try and do that. So, that's all, guys. I'm sorry for the short video. Just wanted to get this out there for you guys, but that was quite a short video. Hope y'all guys all have a good day. And bye.